Up was just things that I can't get at Trader Joe's because I have to go to Trader Joe's and then Whole Foods eventually this week, and girl, I did not want to do all 3 markets in one day. That was just doing a lot. So I picked up some bananas, I got some portobello mushrooms, and I'm gonna be making stuffed mushrooms with crab. I'm gonna have that for dinner, so I'll vlog that for you guys. I need to have something like soon to eat because I just got back from working out, but Wegmans has these crab cakes already prepared and these are pretty good. I do like to add Old Bay. They could use a little extra seasoning, but other than that, they're really good. So I'm just going to probably use 2 of these portobellos. I feel like they would fit inside of them. My dad used to make these all the time, but he would use the little button ones. But I felt like to make it a meal, you know, I could do it this way. I picked up some olives because I've been wanting to do like some snack plates for lunch, frozen broccoli. And I'm also excited about this because I've had a craving to do grilled cheese on sourdough bread. I'm pretty sure Starbucks has their own version of that, and it always looks so good whenever I see a picture of it on the menu, but obviously I can't have that. So I'm gonna make my own, and I thought this might be good to have before the gym. I don't know, and I'm gonna have this today as well, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. And for the cheese alternative, I got the Day of Swiss. And then I finally came across my favorite Greek dressing and marinade. This stuff is so good, you guys. I used to put this on like bread when I was in school. Like we would always have this in the house, and it's hard to find. So I'm gonna be putting it on these mini red potatoes because I'm kind of sick of eating rice, so I'm gonna have this instead. And then also this week I wanted to make like Greek salads with chicken, and this is really good as a marinade for the chicken and also for the Greek salad as a dressing. So I just wanted to have that in the crib. And then I also just got some extra plant-based butter, some little cuties, because I love citrus, Cocoa Puffs for a midnight snack. I'm gonna put this stuff away and make myself a yogurt bowl and then some aqua collagen to get some protein in, and then I'm gonna shower because I just need something quick in my body, and I don't feel like waiting to prepare food and cook and clean. That's just doing a lot. All right, you guys, I'm gonna do a hair mask because I'm going back curly. I'm about to wash my hair, and I have a little bit left of this Lush Jasmine and Henna hair treatment. Essentially, it's just a pre-poo. I hope I have enough. I've had this for a few months now, but my hair needs some moisture. And I really like how that one smells. Weeks exactly. This lasted a very long time. It was good to me. Ooh, ooh, it's runny. these look amazing. I did put it on broil for like 2 minutes so it could kind of get a little crisp. But, oh yeah, that Old Bay, it did something to it. Oh my god, I washed this Gymshark tag and it got paper all over the laundry. Your Majesty. This nighttime is. Ooh! How did I just trip? Trying to take off my freaking. Bro. Good morning. I had my coffee today. I just got dressed for the gym. I'm feeling super cute and it's supposed to be, I think like mid 70s, I don't know. But I want to show you guys my fit for today. I'm not feeling my best because I'm on my period. Yesterday I was not feeling it. I had so much cramping going on and my mom was like, what's wrong with you? I said, I don't feel good, I'm on my period. Why she say, you sure do get that a lot, must be nice, you know, must be nice. But I am wearing Vital Seamless on the top, as always. I love pairing it with my Adapt bottoms, and I'm feeling pretty held in with these leggings. This is like a green outfit vibe. So if you need like some Gymshark outfit ideas, Vital Seamless tops with the Adapt bottoms. And I just like to mix and match the colors because I think that they still look really good. And then underneath, because I've been tucking these under my bra because I do have a shorter torso, I think it looks good both ways. What do you guys think? I just feel like it looks nice tucked in. This is a medium, which I find to be a little bit bigger around like the neck area, so tucking it really keeps it in place. But underneath it I have a minimal sports bra on, so these I always get in a size small. And I definitely don't want to just wear this bra today. I'm not feeling that confident, so I think this top is really cute. But you can see how it looks if I don't tuck it in the back. Definitely more full coverage and meets the band, but I definitely have been loving it like this. So for all my girls with the shorter torsos, definitely recommend trying this out if you want a little more like that breakup in between your leggings and your top. I was debating whether or not, sorry guys, the sun is like too aggressive at this hour. I'm trying to leave earlier because I want to come home so I can edit and get up a video for you guys. I don't know if I want to do Oxy Shred. Oh, excuse me. Not sure if I want to do Oxy Shred Hardcore or go back to doing my Pride since I got this in because I had to reorder it. I just ran out. Thinking I'm going to do a little bit of upper since I didn't go to the gym yesterday. I just could not move, y'all. So I kind of want to hit a little bit of back and shoulders with some legs. I kind of want to do hip thrusts today too. And I'm craving some Good Morning, so I'm going to lighten the weight sets. You know, I'm on my period, but I think we're going to hit it with Pride. I had to get my jacket, y'all. I need to go to Target to get some girly things. But, oh my God. It's so bipolar here. It literally was like, yeah, 78 degrees today, but then that low will be like 30. I am such a bad vlogger today. I think I'm going to continue this video till tomorrow because I clearly didn't really get much footage, but I went to the grocery store, picked up some portobellos and some more crab cakes because I was craving it, and I'm excited. So that should be done here in like, I don't know, 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go take my shoes off and get comfortable, and you already know I put that old bay on there. So I'm gonna enjoy this meal.